So relations, what are those? Well, relations, when we think about relations, we think about relationships. Okay? Kind of the same concept here. A relation is an ordered pair. Okay? They go together. So we're talking about ordered pairs here. What is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is just an x and a y value. So like if you remember, something like 3, 4 is an ordered pair. Well, what's that have to do with anything? Well, relations are ordered pairs that are on the graph and that can be grouped together. So there doesn't just have to be one coordinate. There could be multiple coordinates that create a relation. Coordinates are ordered pairs. What you need to remember and recall is that you have a graph, right? You have an x and a y axis. And this is just some things that you need to remember. And on the x and y axis, you have some coordinates, right? You have an infinite amount of these things. If you recall, your coordinates are positive and both positive here, right? Your x is positive and your y is negative here. Over here on the left-hand side, this is negative and positive. And then you have negative, negative. So you need to remember which way you go when you plot points and things of that nature. But basically, a relation is just a set of ordered pairs, okay? Could be one, could be more than one. Relations are represented in different ways, okay? Relations can be represented as tables. They can be represented as graphs, or they can be represented as maps. See, a table, not a big deal, right? A table is just a set of values in a T-chart where you have your x and y value. Okay? A graph is just what we were talking about a second ago, where you would plot your points. So if we're talking about 3, 4, we need to go over 3 and up 4. So there's my 3, 4. And then a map is very similar to a table, where we have our x values on the left side and we have our y values on the right. But what we like to do is we like to drag what goes with what. So our x goes with our y, and so therefore 3 goes to 4 when we draw an arrow to it. These are different representations of relations, and the overall point here is that a relation is just an ordered pair. Okay? So remember that. What's a relation? An ordered pair, or a set of ordered pairs.